Ryanair just did it again. While most airlines are struggling with engine delays and rising maintenance costs, Michael O'Leary just flew into Paris to sign a deal that secures Ryanair dominance for the next 15 years. It's a multi-billion-dollar partnership with CFM International, but here is the real kicker. Ryanair is not just buying parts anymore, they are preparing to fix their own engines. Today, we are breaking down why this move is a total game changer for the world's favorite low-cost carrier. First, let's look at the sheer scale. This isn't your average spare parts agreement. We are talking about 15 years commitment for OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts. This covers the entire fleet. The classic CFM 56 on the 737 next generations and the advanced LEAP 1 Bravo on the 737 MAX. With over 2,000 engines under this deal, Ryanair is effectively locking in its supply chain. In an era where the engine shops are backed up for months and parts are scarce, Ryanair just jumped to the front of the line. They are not just flying planes, they are securing the hardware to keep them in the sky. But here's the big detail you need to know. Starting in 2029, Ryanair is bringing engine maintenance in-house. They have announced they will open 2 massive maintenance facilities in continental Europe. Why? Because Michael O'Leary is tired of paying the middleman. By buying parts directly from CFM and doing the heavy lifting in their own shop, Ryanair is cutting out the massive margins charged by third-party repair shops. This is vertical integration at its finest. They want to be the Amazon of the skies, owning every single part of the process. And this move is a direct response to their game-changer growth plan. Ryanair wants to carry 300 million passengers a year by 2034 with a fleet of 800 aircraft. To do that, you need engines that work 18 hours a day. By partnering with CFM, the joint venture between General Electric Aerospace and Safran, Ryanair is shielding itself from the reliability issues seen elsewhere in the industry. It's a fortress strategy. Protect the cost, protect the schedule, and keep the fares lower than anyone else. And of course, it wouldn't be a Ryanair announcement without a bit of drama. O'Leary showed up to the press conference in a French national rugby jersey. Why? Because the French team recently beat Ireland in the Six Nations. He joked that since the French beat them on the field, he hoped that they'd at least give him a discount on the engines. It's classic O'Leary, using humour to mask a deal that is frankly terrifying for his competition. So, is Ryanair becoming a maintenance giant that just happens to fly passengers? Well, it looks like it. By 2030, they might be the most self-sufficient airline on the planet. What do you think? Is it the right move to stay ahead of EasyJet and Wizz Air? Or is managing 2,000 engines in-house a massive headache waiting to happen? Let me know in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to Aviation Addict for more videos. See you in the next one.